Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Ielts Winner. Hope you are doing fine and staying safe. This is the second cue card of the Makkar final version 2022 Ielts, that is describe an ambition that you haven't achieved. Okay, so we are going to see some of the idioms, sample answer and vocabulary that can be used to describe an ambition and how or why you did not achieve it. So we will see a sample, a simple sample, but we'll focus more on the vocabulary. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to our channel. You can click on that bell icon so that you are notified with all the new updates that we upload to help you get your desired bands. So let's start. So here you can see the question is describe an ambition you haven't achieved. Okay, not achieved but you haven't achieved. That means you from childhood till now you had some goals in your life. Maybe it can be related to a profession, that you wanted to become an engineer but you became a doctor, or you wanted to become a doctor, you became a shopkeeper, something like that. So it can be related to a profession. It can be related to an item, that is your ambition was to buy a BMW but you are not able to buy it, you have Maruti Suzuki. Or you had a ambition, a goal of buying a big house but you were not able to buy it till now, so that is a goal that you want to achieve. Okay, so it can be related to any item, small or big, any profession, small or big, or any meeting someone or going somewhere. That is, you have a goal of meeting maybe Amitabh Bachchan, or you have a goal of meeting the president of United America, United Nations of America. So it can be meeting any person or a place. That is, you have a goal of visiting a place, that is you want to go and live in Canada, or you just want to have a vacation in Switzerland. So ambition or goal is not only related to career, but it can be your feeling of visiting some place, a feeling of visiting someone, meeting someone, buying something, or having a career. Okay, so anything small or big can be your goal. Maybe the near one, or a very large, that is after 10 years goal, or next year's goal. It can be anything. Because there is no task achievement band, you need not worry about putting up some great concept of ambition, that is helping people in the society or becoming a social worker. It shouldn't be like heavy thing. It can be simple, it can be easy, it can be quite funny. That is not an issue. You just need to focus on the way you speak confidently without worrying. So always talk about one or two things. If you think that you will not be able to talk about one ambition, talk about two ambitions, so that you have different vocabularies, different concepts, and you can talk till the examiner stops you, that is for 2 minutes. So these are the topics on which you can talk. Now do not keep on saying my ambition was, my ambition was. You can use different synonyms like goal. My goal was to buy a house. My aim is to settle abroad and study. My mission is to buy a big house. My innate desire is to buy a BMW. My earning is to meet President of India. Okay, my long term earning. My longing is to buy a house for me. So you can talk different. Instead of saying the same word ambition again and again, you can use these words as a synonyms. Now the question is that ambition you haven't achieved. So instead of saying have not achieved, you can use these kind of words. That is have done. Half done means you are still on the way. You have bought a house but not your dream house maybe. Okay, so my ambition was to buy a BMW, but it is half done because I do not have a BMW but I do have a Maruti Suzuki. My desire is still incomplete as I have bought a house but not my dream house due to lack of finance. Or I have an unaccomplished desire of becoming a hero, an actor. My dreams remained fragmentary due to people not supporting me. That is, your dream, your goal, your aim is still fragmentary. It's just a dream. It's not no clear, complete thing because no one helped you or no one supported you, something like that. So these are the different ways in which you can use the words, and do not repeat the word achieve or got again and again. Now coming to the idioms, what kind of idioms? Because we are talking about something we haven't achieved, we are going to feel blue, that is feel sad or disappointed. So most of the idioms related to feeling sadness or disheartened you can use. I was feeling blue, I was down, all these kind of words you can use. And also you can use these words: stop digging heels, that means stop trying to achieve something. I stopped digging heels because no one supported me, that is you stopped trying to achieve buying a BMW because you didn't have financial help. So I stopped digging heels because I ran out of money. My dreams went to wither on the vine, okay, means failed due to lack of support. To wither on the vine means fail dramatically due to lack of support. So my dream of becoming an actor withered on the vine, that means your dream of becoming an actor failed because no one supported you. Went up in smoke, my dream of buying the house went up in smoke because I didn't have money. So you planned to buy a house but it failed because you didn't have the money, so went up in smoke. Holding on to something, this is a positive idiom, okay. Though no one supported you, though it went up for smoke, you are holding on to something, you are holding on to the belief that you will buy something. You hold on to your dream, your aim, because you know you can do it. Apart from this, these kind of related idioms also you can use, you can find them on Google. So this is the basic idea that you need to use when you are trying to answer this question. Now let's see the sample. So this is a very simple sample. I'm just trying to show the words, the phrases, the idioms, or the kind of phrasal language that we can use to say this was my dream and how people didn't support me, that is why I landed into something else, but I'm still holding on to this because of such and so. So this is the kind of thing. So basically it is how feeling with emotions you speak, okay. So I would like to start by saying that people call me Maverick. Maverick is a person who doesn't have a clear goal, or who doesn't go by rules and regulations. It's independent and does what he thinks. So I would like to start by saying that people call me Maverick, but the truth is completely antithetical. Antithetical means it's not true. I am not a maverick. I am a person who has goals, who has life, who thinks in everyone's perspective. Okay. So I would like to start by saying that people call me maverick, and I think I am a person who has no goals in life. But truth is completely antithetical. I had many aims in my life, but those dreams just haven't fit into the slots and boxes of old systems and preconceived notions. This is a phrasal language. I'm saying that I had many dreams, like so many dreams I have, but it did not fit into the boxes, that is in the categories of the society or the system, which already have decided what should have what goal. So a girl could not become an army officer or become a pilot. A boy cannot be a belly dancer. So the society has own norms, rules, regulations, boxes and slots into which people fit. So due to that also many people are not able to achieve their dreams. So I'm trying to make a novelistic conceptual line. Today I would like to share one such innate desire of mine, that was joining army, which went up the smoke due to many circumstances. So I am using the idiom went up the smoke, I am using the innate desire synonym. From my childhood I looked up armed forces as I found them to be brave, free and someone who had respect among others. I decided to become one when I had the chance. But as and how I grew up, I realized life is full of biased, prejudiced people who make noise that are hypnotic and an active deterrent. Active deterrent means when I grew up, I realized that everyone has their own they have biased, boys should do this, girls should do this. They are prejudiced. Prejudiced means they have differentiated people into doing this and that, and they are very hypnotic. They keep on telling you again and again, so you get hypnotized. You get hypnotized as to what they are saying. And active deterrent means they keep demotivating you. They are continuously demotivating you to receive that goal. So I'm trying to use these words to show this is the reason I was not able to achieve. As a girl, I was deemed unfit and useless in this field during that time, as this was the armor of men. Whenever I tried to put up a fight, I had to wither on the vine. That means I had to fail because no one supported me and constantly pushed down. At some points, I myself would start doubting my talent and my wish as to whether they are achievable or are just some flying air, that is, just roaming here and there. But I hold on to my belief and kept fighting to get it. But to my dismay, after school, my dreams never got the chance to see the sunlight. That means when I completed my school, I realized that my dreams are not going to be accepted, or no one is going to see them. With the passing of time, my earning faded away and I moved on with my life to become a good daughter, wife, and a mother. Today, I am a successful mentor and a respected lecturer, but still, some fragmentary longing haunts my sleep at times. So, again, I'm saying some fragmentary longing, that is, my some incomplete desires haunts me in my sleep. Again, a phrasal and idiomatic language. People looking at me might think I have given up, but they don't see the wheels turning 1,000 miles a minute in my head, trying to figure a way out of this maze of external expectation to still reach the set ambition. So again, it's a very philosophical line that I'm using. You can make it simple, it's up to you. I'm trying to show you the language, the phrasal languages that you can use. The wheels turning 1,000 miles a minute in my head means when people think that I have given up, they don't know what havoc, what tsunami is going on inside my head because I'm not able to achieve my desire. जब हम किसी की चीज को चाहते हैं लेकिन कर नहीं पाते तो हमारे दिमाग में बहुत ज्यादा चलती रहती है, ये करूं वो करूं, कैसे करूं, मैं कैसे फाइट करूं अपने आप को कि मैं वो एम्बिशन अचीव कर लूं, मैं अपने आप को मोटिवेट करती रहूं. तो एक तरह की सुनामी हलचल मची रहती है हमारे दिमाग में. तो उस तरह की बात को बोलने के लिए आप इस तरह का फ्रेज यूज कर सकते हो कि द व्हील्स टर्निंग 1,000 miles a minute. एक मिनट में 1,000 miles. ओके, इन 1 minute the wheels are rotating 1,000 miles in a minute. So many things are going on inside my head when someone thinks that I have given up, but I'm trying my hard, my best to keep myself motivated, happy, and also think that I haven't achieved the goal, but I need to achieve it. Okay, so I am trying all other things to come out of this maze. That is, maze means puzzle. Come out of this maze, this puzzle of others, what people want me to do. I want to come out of that expectation that people have of me to reach the goal that I haven't achieved by fighting with the people. Okay, so you can use this in your own ways, but you can take some of them and try to utilize in your answer or similar ones. For now, it looks that I may have stopped digging hills. That means I may have stopped trying to achieve the goal. But someday, I know I will overcome these hardships and attain my goal. I have already started filling my exams and medicals to get selected in any of the area related to military. So now I'm just trying that what I am doing to achieve. After fighting everyone, after going through the hardships, after moving on in life, still that desire is in me and I want to achieve by fighting myself and the society. And for that I am taking these steps so that slowly but steadily I can achieve my goal. Because the question is, you haven't achieved but you want to. So what are you doing to achieve that goal that I am describing? It's just a matter of time that I get what I was built for. So just in seconds after doing this, in some time I will achieve what I want. So this is the sample answer and the kind of language, phrases, idioms that you can use to answer this question. Hope this will help you. If any doubt, do comment in the comment section so that I can clarify them, and keep updated with the all latest questions. The jumbo cue cards are already available as PDF of the new ones, so you can buy it from us. Good day, take care, bye bye.